Hi there, it's the guys here from Dashcam Man. We've just installed an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser into this Volkswagen Golf R 2014 plate. We're just now going to give you a brief demonstration of how this works in this vehicle. Key in hand, turn over the vehicle like so, pop in your 4-digit pin. In this scenario it's this, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get a flash of the indicator lamp just to say that pin code has been successful. Car will start as normal. We'll go through the process of now just showing you what would happen should you not pop in a successful pin entry. Just before we do that, I'd like to highlight the buttons that can be available to be used on this vehicle. So all these steering wheel buttons can be used to combine any pin sequence of your choice. On the driver's side door, the buttons next to your central locking unit can be used, and also your window mirror up and down buttons can be used as well. We'll now go through the process of starting the vehicle without successful pin entry, and you'll see what happens. Again, key in hand. And what you should see now is the vehicle just switches off. So it cut off, and if we try that again, you'll see that the immobiliser will continue to do this until a successful pin is entered. What we'll do now is we'll pop in a pin sequence. So we know the pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the lamp indicator lights to flash. And that's us now started it. If you're looking for something similar installed in one of your vehicles, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.